Hi students, in the last class we saw the problems on the personal account. Okay, so now see one more problem we will see. The from the following information show the account of Mr. D. Bhatt in the books of Mr. R. Naik. Okay, so it means what we have to prepare the personal account. Okay, so I hope all of you understand the earlier problems. We have to solve the personal accounts. Okay, we solved the personal accounts. Okay, so now in this case or in this problem there is a no need to pass the journal entries directly. We will pass the ledgers of, otherwise it means what we have to prepare the personal account. Okay, so now see the on 1st Feb 2012, so debit balance of rupees 50,000. Okay, so the debit balance of 50,000 means what? It is the opening balance for the debit account. Okay, this is the opening, so this take it debit side. So on put here this is the debit column and this is the debit side and this is the credit side. Okay, so the debit side debit column, particular column, JF column, the amount column. In a credit side date column, particular column, JF column and the amount column. Okay, so this first transaction is what's the debit balance of rupees 50,000. So this debit balance you have to take on the debit side on 2012 to balance brought down 50,000 as a opening balance. We have to take this whatever the, if it is credit is given, if it is credit given, then we have to take the credit side. Okay, by balance brought down. Okay, like this we have to take. Okay, so next on 6th Feb bought goods from Debert rupees 30,000. Okay, so now first of all just pass the journal entries. Okay, so what's the journal entries? So bought goods from Debert. Okay, so it means what? It is a purchase transactions. Okay, so now see purchase account debit to debit account credit. Okay, so purchase account debit to debit account credit, because debit is a giver, so it is a credit. Okay, so now so this purchase account whatever we made the debit, so now we have to make the credit to the BHAT account. Okay, so now so purchase account in a credit side, just see here on 6th Feb 2012 by purchase account rupees 30,000. Okay, so by purchase account rupees 30,000. Okay, so now whatever the debit account credit is there, so now you have to make the debit to the purchase account, but here we don't prepare the purchase account. Okay, so leave it. Next on 12th Feb sold goods to him. Okay, so what sold goods to him? So this is the sales transaction. Okay, so in this sold goods to him means what? To whom? To the Bhatt. Okay, so to the D Bhatt. Okay, so what's the transaction? So debit is the receiver. Okay, so debit account debit rupees 40,000 to sales account credit rupees 40,000. Okay, so now this debit account debit, now we have to make the credit to the sales accounts, but we not prepare the sales account, so don't pass it. Okay, so now see the debit sales account credit. Okay, so now this sales account credit you have to make the debit to the debit account. Okay, so now see it's a debit side. So on 12th 2012 to sales account rupees 40,000. Okay, so means whatever the journal entry is there, so this we have to take the opposite. Okay, so next on 15th Feb return goods to him. Okay, so return goods to him, so this return goods to him is what? Purchase return. Okay, so return goods to debit. Okay, rupees 2,000. Okay, so now this is the purchase return. Okay, so debit account debit to purchase return account credit. Okay, so now this purchase return account credit, now you have to make the debit to the debit account. Okay, so now see here on 15th Feb 2012 to purchase return account rupees 2,000. Okay, so next on 18th Feb debit return goods to 1,500. Okay, so debit return goods to return goods, it means what? It is the sales return. Okay, so after selling the goods to the debit, so out of that goods are some damaged, that's why debit return to us. To us means what? To the business. Okay, so that's why it is a sales return. Okay, so now what will be the transactions? Okay, sales return account debit to purchase to sales return account debit to debit account credit. Okay, so now see this purchase sales return account debit, now you have to make the credit to the BHAT account. Okay, so now see here, so on 18th Feb 2012 by sales return account 1,500. Okay, so next on 22nd paid to him rupees 12,000 and received a discount of rupees 200. Okay, so now see this paid to him rupees 12,000. Okay, so now what's he paid to him 12,000. Okay, so this is the business paid rupees 12,000 to him rupees 12,000 and received a discount of rupees 200. Okay, so it means what? It is the compound journal entry. Now how you have to pass? Okay, So just see here, debit account debit, because it is the receiver. Okay, so debit account debit rupees 12,200 to to commission received or the discount received rupees 200 to cash account 12,000. Okay, so like this we have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so now see, debit account debit rupees 12,200. Okay, so now whatever the discount, it is a credit. Now you have to make the debit account debit. Okay, so now see here, so see here on 22nd the 5th 2012 to cash account or to discount received account rupees 200, and whatever the cash account credit, now you have to make the debit to the debit account. So to cash account debit, it's a 12,000. Okay, so next, received a cash from him rupees 25,000. So received a cash from him means what? From whom? From the debit. Okay, so cash account debit to debit account credit. Okay, so cash account debit is there, no? So this cash account debit, we have to make the credit to the debit account. Okay, so now see here, so on 29th 5th 2012 by cash account credit, it's a 25,000. now we have to close the accounts. Okay, so this is the, this balance is what? Ascertained balance. Okay, so 47,700 is the ascertained balance. Okay, so now just forget it for this for 2 seconds. Okay, so now see which side is getting more balance, this see debit side or the credit side. So debit side is getting more balance, rupees 1,04,200. okay, the total of these 50,000 plus 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 12,000 plus 200, it's a 1,04,200. so as it is, take it in the credit side 1,04,200. from this 1,04,200, from this we have to minus this 30,000, 1,500 and minus 25,000. the remaining balance is what? 47,700. so this is nothing but the buy balance carried down. Okay, so now it will be the opening for the next month. Okay, so on 1st March 2012, buy balance brought down 47,700. okay, so like this we have to solve the problem. It is the personal account. Okay, so I hope you will be the understand. If it is in doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so thank you.